register a domain name, you have to first of all understand the meaning of a domain name. This simply means the name of your site. That is the address of your site. For example, house address, business house address. So if you want to register a domain name, I always tell people that it is better to use the name of your business or your brand or whatever it is that you want to use the website for. So registering this domain name, just click on www.WeHostAfrica.com, and this is the dashboard. That is where we are right now. So when you click on our website, it directs you to where you see find your domain name. You see, they didn't say register your domain name, they just said you should find your domain name. Told that this domain name is already taken, and then you come back to register another one. It is always better to save your time and energy. It's always better to search for it to know if it's available. Then you can go ahead to register it. Here you can go for your hosting, see the different hosting plans that see the different domain names and the prices. Here you make your choice of domain that you want. If maybe your business is a clothing line, for example, Cassie clothing line, you can go for cassieclothingline.com or .net or .com.ng, depending on how much you want to spend on your So okay, moving ahead, you search for your domain name. Let's say that is Cassie. Okay, I've done Cassie. Okay, Cassie clothing line. But you can just block the choice of domain name depending on what you want to use it for, the kind of business you're doing. There are some that you require .ng, .net, or any other domain. Okay, here is searching to know is it has redirected you to where you can properly that you are not a bot. You know what we mean by bots. Okay, VR. Okay, this is it. Then to show you, you can still go down to see the different domain names and their prices. See .blog, that's if you're running a blog. See .biz, .info, so this is for hosting. You can explore your hosting packages. You can transfer your domain to us if you want to. You see that, okay, let's go ahead and search for this domain. This is a very quick way of registering your domain name, and WeHostAfrica is always there available. They already told you congratulations on that $3. So for us to change it to naira, because we are in Nigeria, if you are in Nigeria, if you want to change it to naira, this is where you go to US dollar. You change it to that it's already naira, the amount. Okay, so you have to start the clothing line clothingline.com.ng. You still enter the MHXN4. Okay, I guess that's correct. Okay, then you search for it. So here you see that so here you see that all the suggestions.com, 4000.net, 5500, all for 1 year. So you go down, you see everything. So here, after seeing that it is available, you can go ahead to add to cart. Maybe you want to register with the one and posting at the same time, go ahead and do it here. Transfer your domain here, whichever one you want. But for the course of this video we're just registering a domain name, so you check out. Very straightforward and easy. Okay, you select the option for domain name. If you want to add a hosting and put everything together, here you go ahead and do it. Click to add. So after you add it, add your hosting plan and your domain name. Both of them will come together and you have one order to pay for. So it's to make that helps to make it very simple and straightforward. See where you get the option to review. Check if this is exactly what you want to pay for or what you want to register. clothingline.com.ng, everything. Then here you check out. You see that the prices has increased because of the VAT, which is 7.50. The gateway charge, which is 1.50%. And you check out. For WeHostAfrica, our domain names are very affordable and very easy to register. So this is where you're checking out. You have to register your name. Let's say your name is your last name. Okay. Let's say, for example, Kate. Sorry, I'm just using this one. Our email and phone number, depending on our location. And the company name is already, the billing address is already here. It's automatic. So here you enter your password. That should be the password you want for your domain name. You understand, right? Okay, let's say okay, then you see the total amount that you have to pay, 981 naira. So here are the payment methods that are available for you. You can pay through Paystack, you can use bank transfer, flutterwave, mailing payment. You can use any other payment method payment. And it's always advisable to, keep track of the evidence of payments in case anything comes up, but nothing will come up. Don't worry about that. But it's always advisable to keep your evidence of payments when you pay, especially when you use the bank transfer method. Okay. For you, so I know this is not going to, because I've not this before for a lot of payments. So, and I think some things I registered are incorrect. But for the course of this video, I just did it to show you that you can actually do your registration with very easy way and simple, straightforward way. So when you complete the payments, you are later, like about 30 minutes, get you get a mail from us, rather, that you have successfully registered your domain name. That is it. And if you have any question for us, you can contact us. This contact us here leads you directly to where you can write a support ticket, open a support ticket, enter your name, address, the subject, and then you enter the issue you're having, and we are 247